Want a quick tour of Earth's Genius Squad? Buckle up. Number 5, new Caledonian Crow. Tool-making champs that fashion hooks like tiny, feathery engineers. Number 4, common octopus. Problem-solving Houdinis with 8 arms. A PhD in escape artistry. Number 3, African elephant. Memory banks for miles. Social architects, emotional giants. Number 2, Dolphin, sonar savvy. Team hunters, complex communicators. And number 1, Chimpanzee, our closest cousin. Using tools, plans, politics, like a primate CEO. Quick reminder. Intelligence looks different across species. Respect their smarts. Which one surprised you most?